Today we are going to start your new chapter, that is your chapter number 7, human environment settlement human environments, that is your settlement, transportation and communications. Okay, so first one is your what is your settlement. You will see that settlement are the process. It's kind of a process where we do live in a specific area and started to do our daily activities, okay, which is required for our livelihood. Like you are doing the study and some people are doing transportation, some people are doing their jobs and doing agriculture activities. So all these activity which is happening by living in a specific area and in the specific area with building, by building our home, अपने घर को बना के हम ये सब activities कर रहे हैं. So that is your settlement. Okay, now you understand what is your settlement. So you will see that the scenario of a settlement change within the time. Okay, time के साथ साथ the change आपका settlement में change आया है. Like you will see that the most of the in a previous period you will see that people are started to live in the caves. Okay, after some time living in the caves they came to the jungles and then nearby your river areas. And after with the growing time and time, okay, what we see, we say now we started to live in a permanent basis. Okay, एक permanent घर बना के रहने लगे. So you have seen that within the passing of a time के साथ साथ आपका the scenario of a settlement is changing. Okay, so the settlement now we are going to categorize the settlement into the two categories. Your first one is your permanent and second one is your temporary. Okay, so permanent settlement, whom we are calling to permanent settlement. The permanent settlement is like your where we are starting from a very very long time. Like you are living in your home. Okay, your parents are living there, your grandparents are living in there, and you are doing your daily activity by living in that home. So that is your permanent settlement. Okay, you have living that area for a very long time, बहुत लंबे समय से आप वहाँ पे रह रहे हैं. So temporary can be your short time period. Okay, short time is generally connected with your short time living. Okay, बहुत कम समय के लिए आपको रहना है. Like the peoples who are living in the jungle, your forest area, you will see that they live for a very low time, short time. After that they started to change their place, अपनी जगह को बदलने लगते हैं. So settlement is your two type, that is your permanent and your temporary settlement. Okay, so the why there is a two type of a settlement we are seeing. So we are seeing this settlement because the humans need some parameters, some basic needs to live in a area. That basic need can be your climates, can be your climates. अगर मौसम अच्छा नहीं होगा you can't live there. Availability of water and your transportations, your land fertility, and all these are the factors which is affecting whether we can't to live in a permanent basis or live in a temporary basis. Okay, so these all the factors हैं जो आपको जिसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है कि आप परमानेंट रहेंगे या फिर आप टेम्परेरी रहेंगे. ओके, so now the settlement can be, you will see that there is a different type of a area where the different type of a settlement is happening. Okay, in a rural area which is mainly the people are doing your agriculture, fishing and forestry craft work, you will see that in a rural area your settlement is very scattered. Means one person is living there, so another person will be live very far from there. Okay, बहुत दूर रहेगा. So the homes are very far from each others. That is your scattered settlement. On the contrary, you will see in a cities, okay, in your big cities you will see that the settlement is very very congested. Okay, आपके घर बहुत ज़्यादा पास पास हैं. So there is a different type, you have seen different type of a settlement in different type of a area. Rural area have a scattered settlement. On the opposite, your urban areas, that is your cities, you will see that compact type of a settlement. And some settlement can be your we have done some settlement on the geographical conditions. Okay, like somewhere the temperature, some places the temperature is very high, and some places temperature is a cold, and some receive a very high rainfall. Okay, so these, according to these parameters, your settlement can also be very different. Like when the people who are receiving very heavy rainfall, you will see that they have roof a slanting roof, तिरछी रूफ है उनकी. ओके, सो कि पानी आपका निकल जाए. सेम दैट इन द पीपल हु आर लिविंग इन अ वेरी हॉट रीजन like your Rajasthan, where temperature is very high, you will see the house here which is covered by mud and sticks. Okay, to protect the temperature. Okay, to maintain the temperature of their home, they will make the home by the mud. And you will see that some area their water is very water always be stored water will present in your ground. Okay, ground में हमेशा पानी रहेगा. So what they are doing, the people will uplift their home, means from the ground there will be height like this structure. So height, you will see that they have built their home from a very height, जमीन से नीचे उठा के they have built their home by just for protecting the from their home from water, क्योंकि water stored रहता है. So they are protecting their home. Same day, when there is a high temperature in a polar area, you will see that peoples are making this type of that home is your kind of igloo. You have seen that in your previous class. Okay, so this is all about your settlement. After that, the first basic need of human is your settlement, where he wants to live. Okay, now the second basic need of a human is your transports. Means we can't be sit here for on a one place for a very long time. Okay, हम एक ही जगह पे we can't live in a single place for a very long time. We need to from completing our to complete our basic needs, like you are doing your education, somewhere doing your jobs and all the things. So you will see that we need to move from one place to another place. That is one of the important factor. So we started to live there, where we will find the facility of transportation is very good. जहाँ पे transportation अच्छा होगा, वहाँ पे settlement भी अच्छा होगा. So you will see that same that in a previous time you will see that people are using your like animals as a your mode of transportations. Okay, mode of transportations में animals का use हो रहा है. Somewhere you will see that like you have mentioned in the book. Okay, carts, they are using your carts. Some at a previous time, when there was no invention of a wheel, people used to walk from a very long distance. With the passing of a time, the technology has grown. Okay, technology बढ़ गई. Now they have invented the wheels. We invented wheels, so we started to make गाड़ियाँ बनानी स्टार्ट कर दी. सो व्हाट हैपन, विद इन द टाइम आवर मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इज चेंजिंग. ओके, लाइक नाउ डेज you will see that you have a different type of transportation modes, like you are using bus, car, and your trains and aeroplanes, and even by waterways like boats, yachts. Okay, so these all are the modes of transportation by which we can travel from one place to another place. Okay, so what you understand that you have a 4 major means of transportation. That is by road. You can move from one place to one place by using the roadways, and like your railways by using the train, by using the waterways like I have told you, like using the yacht and boat, and last one is your airways. You will see that your airways was one of the fastest mode of transportations. Okay, so I hope you understand this type of transportation very well. In our next chapter, we will discuss the different type of transportation modes. Thank you.